Amazing health benefits of protein powders. Protein powders have gained popularity as a convenient and effective way to increase protein intake, especially among fitness enthusiasts and athletes. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle building, repair, and maintenance. Here are some of the health benefits of using protein powders. Muscle building and repair. Protein is a primary building block of muscles. Consuming an adequate amount of protein through protein powders can support muscle growth and repair, making it an ideal supplement for those engaged in strength training or physical activities. Weight management. Protein powders can promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help in managing weight by reducing overall calorie intake. Protein-rich shakes can serve as meal replacements, aiding in weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Recovery after exercise. After a strenuous workout, protein powders can help replenish depleted muscle protein stores, leading to faster recovery and reduced muscle soreness. Convenient and quick source of protein. Protein powders are easy to prepare and can be consumed on the go. They are particularly beneficial for people with busy schedules or those who struggle to get enough protein from whole food sources. Enhanced immune function. Proteins are crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. Adequate protein intake can support the production of immune cells and antibodies, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Healthy hair, skin, and nails. Protein is essential for the formation of keratin, a protein that makes up hair, skin, and nails. Including protein powders in the diet can contribute to healthy and vibrant hair, skin, and nails. Support for bone health. Protein plays a role in calcium absorption and bone health. Adequate protein intake, combined with other bone-building nutrients, can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Regulation of hormones. Certain proteins act as hormones or support hormonal functions in the body. Consuming enough protein can help keep hormonal levels in balance, supporting overall health. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that diets high in protein may be associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It's important to note that while protein powders can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet, they should not be relied upon as a sole source of nutrition. It's best to combine protein supplements with a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods to ensure you get all the essential nutrients your body needs. Additionally, individuals with specific health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary supplements.